Strategic promotions and discounts are critical in attracting customers, generating sales, and cultivating customer loyalty in today's increasingly competitive retail industry. Recognizing the importance of effective promotions, Shopify POS provides a strong collection of features that allow shops to easily design and manage deals. From percentage-based discounts to buy one, get one deals, Shopify POS enables shops to adopt a wide range of promotional techniques. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of promotions in Shopify POS, including how they can increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and maximize profitability. Creating appealing promotions, Shopify POS provides shops with a user-friendly interface that streamlines the process of launching promotions. Retailers can easily set up many types of promotions, such as percentage-based discounts, fixed-amount discounts, free delivery, and buy one, get one offers. The platform's flexibility allows retailers to customize their promotions to specific goods, consumer categories, or timeframes, catering to their own business demands. Creating compelling promotions is an excellent method for attracting new customers and persuading existing ones to make a buy. By providing discounts or incentives, businesses can create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to take advantage of limited time deals. This can result in improved foot traffic, internet conversions, and overall sales volume. Personalization and targeted advertising. One of the primary benefits of promotions in Shopify POS is the ability to personalize offers and target certain client segments. Retailers can use consumer data and purchase history to provide personalized promotions to specific customers or groups of customers with similar tastes. Personalized promotions connect with customers on a deeper level because they feel cherished and understood by the business. Retailers can boost the likelihood of conversion and encourage customer loyalty by offering discounts or incentives on products that match their customers' interests or previous purchases. This customized strategy also helps merchants stand out in a crowded market and deliver a memorable purchasing experience. Furthermore, Shopify POS allows companies to use customer segmentation for targeted discounts. Retailers can build promotions that appeal to certain customer segments by categorizing them based on demographics, purchasing behavior, or other relevant characteristics. A fashion retailer, for example, can provide exclusive discounts on formal dress to customers who have previously purchased similar goods. Targeted promotions not only increase sales, but also improve consumer engagement and loyalty by giving relevant and meaningful incentives. Promotion tracking and performance evaluation, effectively tracking and analyzing the efficacy of promotions, is critical for optimizing marketing strategies and increasing return on investment. Shopify POS provides comprehensive capabilities for retailers to track the effectiveness of their campaigns and acquire important information. Retailers may track crucial indicators such as the number of redemptions, revenue produced, and overall impact on sales. This data assists retailers in evaluating the performance of various promotional techniques and fine-tuning their approach accordingly. Retailers, for example, can determine which promotions generate the highest conversion rates, which products are popular during promotions, and which client segments are most responsive to discounts. With this information, merchants can fine-tune their deals, distribute resources more effectively, and produce higher ROI. Continuous integration and consistency. Shopify POS promotions effortlessly link with other areas of the retail business, such as the online store and physical point of sale. This offers a uniform customer experience across all touchpoints, whether customers are purchasing online or in store. When promotions are seamlessly integrated, customers may effortlessly redeem their discounts or incentives at checkout, resulting in a smooth and hassle-free transaction experience.